Alright, this is trying to wake up Maeve. Hi, Doodles. It's time to get up, sleepyhead. Hi there. I know it's only 4:30.
Nanny.
You already went night-night. Do you can get up now? Is your belly in there? No? I think you have a belly in there. Where's your belly?
Nanny.
You already went night-night. It's time to get up now.
No. Dada.
Dad, does that work?
No. No.
Yes. Can you come up with Mama? Do you want to go upstairs? We're going to have meatballs for dinner.
Up. Baba.
Belly button? Is that what you're saying?
Nanny.
No, night-night. Do you want to come with Mommy?
Nanny.
You want to go night-night?
No.
No, you're silly.
More.
More? Can we go upstairs? We can get some milk?
Da.
Come on, let's go. Let's get up. Maeve, it's time to get up, okay?
Dada.
Dad does at work. Don't, Maeve.
No.
No. Can you come with Mama, please?
Da. No.
Maybe. Can you come see Mommy, please?
Oh. Da.
No, we're not watching Hot Dog. No. Can you get up, please? Maeve, time to get up.
Bo.
Those are books, yeah. Let's go, come on. Up, up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes, those are books.
Hello.
Hello. Can you come with Mommy? Can you come up, please?
Nanny.
Those are your night-nights.
Hi.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Ready? Up. Up. Up, up. Maeve. Mommy is making meatballs for you. It's time to get up. Hey. We don't say that, okay? Hey. No. What is this? What's in your bed? Yucky.
No.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Uh-oh. All right, up. What in the world are you doing?
Nanny.
Those are night-nights.
Hello.
Hello. Books. Do you want to come upstairs with Mama?
Bo.
We can get books. Do you want to get a book and then we'll go upstairs?
Hello.
Hello.
Bo.
Book. You know what book I see? I see Hop on Pop. Do you want Mommy to get that one? What's this?
Papa.
Hop on Pop. Should we go read it upstairs? Yeah. Hop on Pop. Okay.
Oh,
Well, we have this book. Why don't you get up? Can you come up?
no.
Yes.
Oh,
Can you come up? Up. Okay. I think we're ready.